अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं मेथी मलाई मुर्ग क्रीमी चिकन विथ कसूरी मेथी। ये बहुत टेस्टी डिश है, गोज़ वेरी वेल विथ पराठास, बन्स एंड घी राइस। चलो शुरू करते हैं। इसका फर्स्ट स्टेप है चिकन को मैरिनेट करना। तो मैंने 1.5 kgs ऑफ बोनलेस चिकन लिया है। यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक चिकन विथ बोन्स। टेक अ वाइड शैलो बोल, उसमें 1 टीस्पून चिली पाउडर, हाफ टी स्पून पेपर पाउडर, हाफ टी स्पून टर्मरिक पाउडर, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon zeera powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 3 green chilies chopped, and 1.5 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Along with this, add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste और 1.5 cups of beaten curd. अच्छे से मिक्स करिए और अब उसमें नाइसली वॉश्ड एंड ड्रेन्ड 1.5 kgs ऑफ बोनलेस चिकन ऐड करके अच्छे से चिकन को मसाले से कोट करिए। Keep it marinated overnight in the refrigerator if possible, else for at least an hour before cooking. मैंने overnight रखा था, so I've covered it and left it in the fridge. Heat a heavy bottomed pan, add 2 to 3 ladles of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add sabit garam masala, 4 each, and saute for a few seconds, and then add 6 onions sliced or chopped and fry till golden brown. I have chopped the onions roughly, but you can always use sliced onions as well. Now the onions are nice and golden brown. Let's add 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste. We have already added ginger garlic paste to the marination as well. So here we will be adding very less, just 1 teaspoon each. Saute well till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. Add a few tablespoons of water if you find it necessary while sauteing. Once the ginger garlic paste is nicely sauteed, let's add a few spice powders. We are adding very less because we have already added them to the marinade. So let's add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well for a few seconds. Grind 6 tomatoes to a fine paste and add it to the masala. Now saute on medium flame and cook till the oil leaves the sides. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now the oil has left the sides, add the marinated chicken. Mix well, keep the flame on low. अच्छे से ऊपर नीचे करिए। 10 मिनट तक मीडियम फ्लेम में ऐसे ही ऊपर नीचे करते रहिए, सौटे करते रहिए. Now add the paste of 10 to 15 cashews. What I do is I buy around 250 grams of cashews and powder the whole lot and keep it in my chill tray. So as and when I need it, I take out a certain amount, mix it with warm water and use it. So this becomes very easy for me as and when I need it. Saute for another 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 to 10 minutes, the oil starts to leave the sides. At this point, rinse out the mixie jar with a glass of water and add it to the chicken. Mix well, cover and cook till the chicken is done. You can add up to half a glass more of water if you need a little thin gravy. Cover and cook on medium to high flame for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's check. The oil has left the sides. The curry looks very appetizing. Let's check whether the chicken is cooked. At this point, if you are adding fresh fenugreek leaves, saute the fenugreek leaves in a tablespoon of oil for 2 minutes and then add it to the gravy. If you're not using fresh fenugreek leaves, skip the step and add half a cup of fresh cream. Mix well and let it cook for another 2 minutes. Now garnish with 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and coriander leaves. Mix well and now add 1 tablespoon of roasted Kasoori Methi leaves. Methi Malai Murg is now ready to serve. Do try it out. Ingredients, as always, in the description box. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.